Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and tap on About Tablet. Now let's keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can enter the system and updates and enter developer options. Here all we have to do is to scroll and find this option, Automatic System Updates, and tap on the switcher to turn it on. From now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device, however, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.